I know Catherine Hardwick as a friend. She's a lovely woman. She directed the first Twilight. And she told me about your first phone call with her. And what do you remember about that conversation?
Well, there were two. Which one was she talking about?
I think the funnier, weirder one.
When she called in England?
Yes, that one.
Oh, yeah. That was... Yeah, that's why I answered the phone by accident. I didn't really know who it was, and I hadn't read the book. They kept pushing me to read the script or the book or something.
Right.
And then I totally forgot I had to do this phone call. And so I was on the phone with Catherine, just being like, it's like 3 a.m. in London. And I was like, yeah.
She's like, he sounds great, but really tired.
just kind of bullshitting my way through. Yeah. It's kind of saying you've read not only one book, but 3. And I totally forgot about the entire conversation by the time she went to LA. But yeah, Catherine forgave me.
She's a good coach. She's a keen eye for talent, too. So when you said yes to that, obviously that movie and the series, how much stress did you feel maintaining that momentum? Because talk about a juggernaut. It's not for the faint of heart.
I mean, I don't know. I mean, it was such a surprise to me, like the success of the first
Really?
one. Yeah, but it kind of, and there wasn't a comparative movie series really at the time. There was only really Harry Potter and High School Musical for that.
Right.
And even though it kind of swayed younger.
But also you had a lot of adults who were obsessed with Twilight. It wasn't even just 15-year-old girls.
Yeah.
Or women. Probably some of you were here today.
Woo!
Were you guys you waited in line at the theaters and stuff?
Oh, yeah.
I just wanted to meet you. It was very nice.
No cameras.
Camped out.
The first meeting, did you have any sense that it would become this as powerful as it is?
No, not at all. It was just really fun. I mean, it's to this day probably one of the most fun shoots I've ever done because it was a huge cast. Everyone was there at the same time in Portland throughout the entire shoot. Everyone was round about the same age, and it was really fun. And then because we all kind of came up together and it was a totally novel experience for everyone, like going to Comic-Con and seeing all the complete.
None of you was jaded at the time.
It was really fun, and also it was just a crazy ride, that whole beginning. I mean, going into the second movie, I guess there was a bit of pressure, but I mean, not really.
That's
more
on the director and the producers.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, it was by the time the end, the last few, but then it wasn't not even that. I mean, it's kind of I felt like it was a very solid cast at the beginning. Everyone kind of knew what they wanted to do, and everyone was pretty like headstrong about it, and like it's kind of, I don't know. I think it was. Catherine set a really good tone on the first one.
She's great.
Yeah, and it felt a little bit like weirdly like counterculture-y. So you kind of, I didn't really feel you weren't really pleasing anyone in particular.
Right. And what did you learn about yourself as a performer making those movies? Did you come away with it with kind of a new appreciation for what you were able to do on screen?
I mean, it's interesting to have a chance to play the same part 5 times.
Have a chance to nail it if you didn't nail it.
Yeah, I mean, and you can kind of experiment with stuff. I mean, and also, I'd only been acting for a few years before I did Twilight, and the stuff I'd done outside of Harry Potter, which was just a smallish part. Hardly anyone had seen it, so I didn't really feel that pressure.
Haunted Airman, love it.
Yes. You're like the only person.
We know there's luck after Twilight for you.
When the movies were starting to wind down, were you actively seeking, like, okay, I have to change this up. I have to throw myself into something completely different, less commercial. Were you actively trying to switch gears like that?
No, I mean, I've only ever really just done stuff that appeals to me. I mean, I think the first thing I did after the first fight was Remember Me.
They've seen all of them.
And that was just, I mean, at the time I was just reading tons and tons of scripts. And I guess, the things that were sort of being straight offers after Twilight were like relatively generic thrillers
Heartthrobbing
and
stuff.
stuff. Yeah, and it's sort of, and I was just sort of I'd seen a few other actors kind of make that kind of go down that road, and I thought, and I've always just felt that like, I look at my career like every single movie is going to be the last one you do, and so you might as well do it for like the right reasons. And if you're trying to do something as a stepping stone, then that's when
So you're gonna go out with a bang, even if it
Yeah,
doesn't work.
definitely. Yeah.